What is going on, guys? Appreciate Malaysia here, back again with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the USB-C 20 watt power adapter and also the USB-C to lightning cable 1 meter. So this is the latest power brick from Apple. It is targeted for iPhone 12 users. So let's see what's in the box. Of course, there's a nice pull tab here. So, of course, you'll get your documentations and the adapter. Let's put this aside. Alright guys, so this is the 20 watt power adapter. Of course, it's not USB-A, it is USB-C, and I like it that they gone with this design where you have to do it like this to get these things out. Okay, so let's see what's in the USB-C to lightning cable box. Just pull the pull tab. Of course, you get your documentations, and this is the cable. Let's just open this and see. Right. So this is the USB-C point, and this is the lightning point. So what you got to do is just open that and just... Okay guys, so I bought these two. This one cost me 99 ringgit, and this one also cost me 99 ringgit. So for the power adapter, I think it's quite reasonable, the price. I for sure thought it was going to be like 129 or 139, but 99 is quite reasonable for me. So these two, if you add up, it totals up to 198, and I think it's quite reasonable if you compare it to the MagSafe charger alone, which cost me 179 ringgit. You just have to add a few more bucks to get these two, and oh my god, the rate of the charge for the MagSafe charger, oh my god. So just add a few bucks and you can get this too, which is more reliable and hopefully more faster than the MagSafe charger. If you guys follow this channel, you guys might be saying, is this guy obsessed with chargers or something? No, I am actually currently rocking the 12 watt power adapter, so I'm looking for a new charger. So I hope that this 20 watt power adapter can replace my 12 watt power adapter. So of course I'll be testing this out. I'll be testing it with my iPhone XS Max, and I think I'm going to compare it with the 12 watt power adapter. So see you guys in the next video.